Our mission is everyone can contribute, and I think that implies that you should be able to contribute from almost anywhere in the world. If you look at our team map, there's a person almost everywhere. Now, there's only one person in the center of Russia, so we're hiring there, just to make it a bit more. But it's amazing to see that for 90%, 95% of the people in the world that want to join our company because they read about us, because they like what they see, they're able to sign up and join us. And I think that creates such a different atmosphere in your company when the people that are there because they found it and they really wanted to be there. I want to talk a bit about this all remote, this distributed way of working, because I think it gives us an unfair advantage. It gives us a lot of speed. We scaled really fast, and even this year we'll end at 400 people. Next year we'll likely be at 800 people. And so being able to recruit great people is very elementary. And if you have to fish from the same pool as all the other companies in the same city, that is very hard. So being able to recruit from everywhere allows us to meet those goals. And we don't have to pay for people to move. We don't have to go to an immigration procedure. It saves a lot of time between signing the contract and having them start. It's great for diversity. We have people from all kinds of cultures, from all kinds of ethnicities, just by default, not because we don't have to try hard for it. It comes because we recruit from anywhere. And the last thing is, it allows us to kind of zoom in on the people we want to recruit, and wherever we find them, we can recruit them.